Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is finding and ordering items in list. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners, and for more videos you can visit my channel Coder's Companion or click on my playlist links. Video links are also given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. These are the subtopics in working with list. In this video, I am going to cover the fifth and sixth topic, finding and ordering items in list. Finding items in list. Index. Index is an inbuilt function in Python. It returns the index position of a specified value in a list. We must pass a value to the index as an argument. For example, I am creating a list. My list is equal to cat, bat, pat, mat. Now I am running the command mylist.index of bat. It returns 1 because the index position of bat is 1. And for the command mylist.index of cat, it returns 0. This is the index position of cat. Suppose if I pass a value which does not exist, then it will throw value error. Here mylist.index of A, B, C, D will throw error. Let's take another example. Here mylist is having a collection of items. Now in this list, cat occurs 3 times. Mylist.index of cat will return index of first occurrence of cat, so it returns 0. I am going to use index with additional arguments. In this example, I am using a command mylist.index of cat, 2, 6. I am passing 2 additional arguments. Second argument is the start index and third argument is the end index. The index function will look for the item from start index 2 to end index minus 1, which is equal to 5. So it will return the index of first occurrence of cat within the index range 2 to 5, and the output is 3. Now let's use the command mylist.index of cat, 1, 3. This line will throw error because cat is not found within the start index 1 and end index 3 minus 1, which is 2. We can also use the command without the third argument. In this example, mylist.index of cat, 4. The second argument is 4, which is the start index, and end index will be assigned a default value, that is the length of list. So end index is 7. So the output of mylist.index of cat, 4 is 5. Count. Count is an inbuilt function in Python that returns count of how many times a given value occurs in list. For example, let's take the same list. The command mylist.count of mat will return 1 as output because there is only one mat in the list. And mylist.count of cat will return 3 as the number of cat found in the list is 3. Ordering items in list. Sort. The sort function can be used to sort the items of a list in ascending, descending or user-defined order. For example, I am creating a list int list is equal to 12, 54, 23, 42. To sort the items in int list, the command is intlist.sort. Now when I print int list, the items in int list is sorted in ascending order. Let's create a list again. This time int list is equal to 4, 1, 6, 3, 2. We can also sort the list using the command int list is equal to sorted of int list. Let's print int list and the list is sorted in ascending order. Sorted function will not modify the list in place. So I am reassigning int list after sorting. Whereas sort function will modify the list in place. Sorting must be done with the same data types. Let's take a list of floating point numbers and sort the list. float list is equal to 4.5, 2.3, 5.6, 1.2. I am sorting the list using the command floatlist.sort, and the list is sorted in ascending order. Now I am going to sort a list of string. str list is equal to mango, orange, apple, papaya. To sort the list, I am using the command strlist.sort, and you can see the output that the list is sorted in alphabetical ascending order. We cannot sort the list of items with mixed data type. Let's take a list with mixed data types. Mixed underscore list is equal to 4, apple, 3.4. The command mixed underscore list dot sort will throw error. So the sort function cannot be applied on a list with mixed data type. To sort the list in descending order, we need to pass a parameter reverse is equal to true to sort function. Let's create a list. My list is equal to 55, 92, 15, 74, 32. The command mylist.sort of reverse is equal to true. Now you can see that the items in my list is sorted in descending order. The parameter reverse is equal to true can also be passed to sorted function. For example, my list is equal to g, r, a, k. Now I am sorting in reverse order by passing reverse is equal to true to sorted function. Now in the output, the list is sorted in descending order. Apart from sorting in ascending or descending order, we can also do custom sorting. For example, I have a list. str list is equal to apple, orange, pineapple, mango, kiwi. Instead of sorting the list in alphabetical order, I want to sort the list by the length of string. Let's see the length of each item in this list sequentially. 5, 6, 9, 5, 4. So the length of kiwi is the least length. So in the output, kiwi will be the first item. Length of apple and mango are 5. Now when two or more items with the same length occurs, then those items will be sorted by default sorting. Here apple will be preceded by mango, followed by orange and pineapple. To sort the list by the length, I am using the command strlist.sort of key is equal to len. Now I am printing strlist. In the output, list items are sorted by the length of string. Here apple and mango have the same length, so those items are sorted alphabetically. Python provides us with various ways to reverse a list. We can use reverse function. For example, list1 is equal to 12, 7, 15, 30, 18. List1.reverse will reverse the items of the list in place. And in the output, you can see the list items are reversed. We can also reverse the list using slicing method. Let's take another list. List2 is equal to pen, eraser, table, chair. List2 is equal to list2 of :-1 will reverse the items in list. The list is not sorted in place, so I reassign it to the same variable. We can also reverse the list using a built-in function called reversed. For that, we need to pass the list to reversed function and convert it to list type. Let's create a list. List3 is equal to 5.3, 2.1, 3.3, 7.5. I am passing list3 to reversed function and convert it to list type. And in the output, the list is reversed. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Share the link to your friends. And for any questions and comments, feel free to post it in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. My upcoming videos will be on copying items in list, shallow and deep copy. See you in next video.